When you look at the column chart, you notice the gray columns, you can barely see them because the numbers are small compared to 2016 and 2026 estimated. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to exclude those. And we can right click and select the data one more time. And I'm going to just make the selection, so I move the window and I can make the selection. So I don't want to take the number of new jobs anymore. So I'm going to take from A5, 2016, 2026, labels and numbers. And you can actually see how the chart changed. Looks okay. And you can push OK. And actually from here I can do one more thing, because I would like to see, you see, for computer network architects, you have to go here and see, okay, that's 2016, that's 2026, so it doesn't look so great. Instead, we can apply switch row and column. So let's see what happens. So when you do that, now you can clearly see what happened in each year, so 2016 and in the future 2020. The chart is still very hard to read, so I would like us to focus on only the first 4 job titles. And we can go ahead and select the data one more time, or we can use the filter button here, chart filters, and we can take out, so we can keep only the first 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's take out the last 3 job titles and apply. Now it looks much cleaner. Now let's look at the numbers. You see the numbers over here, they have 3 zeros at the end. We can make things simpler. So if you want to change something, you would just double click it. And then we have all kinds of options. So take your time and play with all the options, click on all the buttons and see what happens. But right now, remember, we want to show here, we want to display the units in thousands. So let's see what happens. This is it. And if you look over here at the axis, you can notice that the top one is 1558, so it's almost to 1600. So what if we just stop at 1600? And you see over here the bounds. The minimum is 0 and the maximum, as you can see here, is 1.8 times 10 to the 6th power. So instead of 1.8, let's just go ahead and type 1.6. And let's click out of it. And now it looks much better. So you can work on the axis like that. But remember, you do not want to truncate. So for the minimum, don't go there and change the 0 because it will distort the data.